Hi, sweet friends, it's Amy, and welcome back. Today, I'm sharing a simple homemaking routine, how I move through a productive day at home, taking care of everyday tasks while still creating a cozy, lived in space. I hope this time together feels cozy and encourages you right where you are today. It's been so cold outside, but even on mornings like this, I still like to start the day with a little fetch game with Nyla. It gets her moving, and honestly, it helps me to ease into the morning too. It doesn't have to be long, just a few minutes to start the day with something simple and familiar. After that, one of the first things I always do is make the bed. It's such a small task, but immediately helps me feel like I've already accomplished something. When I get one thing done right away, it sets the tone for the rest of the day and makes everything else feel more manageable. I also make it a point to open the blinds and let the sunlight in. Natural light has a way of refreshing a space and lifting your mood. It instantly makes the room feel more awake. Once the bed is made and the light is in, I'll do a quick tidy. Nothing major, just putting things back where they belong. Already, the room feels calmer and I feel ready to move into the rest of the day. Starting this way helps me feel productive early on, and it makes everything that comes after that feel a little easier. I also like to make time for a little movement during the day. Nothing complicated, just something to get my body moving and my heart rate up. Even a short walk can make a difference. Movement like this helps with energy, circulation, and focus. Adding some strength work doesn't have to be intimidating either. Using light weights helps maintain muscle and helps support balance and mobility as we get older. Taking a few minutes for yourself, whether that's walking, stretching, or lifting weights, is one of the best things that we can do for our bodies. It's not about doing everything perfectly, it's just about showing up for ourselves in small, consistent ways. A huge part of my everyday life happens right here at my desk. YouTube has become more than just a creative outlet, it's my work. Between filming, editing, planning, scheduling, and responding to your sweet comments, there's a lot that goes into each video you see. I feel incredibly thankful to have a space where I can share my love for home and decorating while also contributing to our family in such a meaningful way. I don't take that lightly, and I'm so grateful for each of you who spend time here with me. With Valentine's Day coming up, I also wanted to make a small batch of cookies. I love having simple homemade treats for my hubby to grab when he gets home from work and for when the kids come over to visit. While the dough chills, I'm going to get ready for the day. Getting dressed and putting on makeup are two small habits that really affect my mindset. If those haven't been done, usually I'm not feeling my best, so I try to make them a priority. And since I'm running a few errands later on, it helps to know that I'm set and ready to go when that time comes. Now that I'm dressed, and before we move into a little bit of spring cleaning today, I'm just going to do a quick tidy, straightening the pillows and blankets and putting things back in place. Now, once that's done, I like to use any extra pockets of time to tackle a small spring cleaning task. If you're anything like me, you're yearning for those days ahead where we can start decorating for spring, and getting the house clean ahead of time makes that transition feel so much easier. Washing the windows is one of those small tasks that instantly refreshes my mood. Letting in more natural light makes the whole room feel brighter and more open. Now, one little tip I like to use when washing windows is to wipe horizontally on the inside and vertically on the outside. That way, if you ever do notice a streak, you can easily tell which side needs a quick touch up.
In the dark, On a road with old familiar feelings, I know I hear a song, but it ain't so clear. No. And when it rains, it falls hard, and there's a weight I've carried so far. Will we fly or will I fall here? You are the answer, you are that real love. I throw my hands up, I throw my hands up. I give it all to you, I give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, 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 God. I give it all to you, I give it all to you. Give it all to you. Every hope, every plan, every dream that I've ever had, every prize and treasure I've found. Yeah. Every light, every smile, every tear of joy that I've cried. Without you it means nothing at all. Yeah. Give it all to you, give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, 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 God. I give it all to you, I give it all to you.
I was excited to finally see these My Texas House planters in person. They weren't in stock last time we shopped here together. Once I get home, I like to put everything where it belongs. It helps to keep things from building up on the counters and turning into clutter. I've found that if I take care of it immediately, it makes the house feel more organized and helps everything run a little bit more smooth. It's one of those small habits that saves time and stress later on. One of my favorite parts of the day is always decorating, and today I have just enough time to focus on a small little area in our entryway. I found this beautiful piece at Hobby Lobby, and because this is such a small space, it felt like the perfect place to start hinting at early spring. I love using little areas like this to gently transition seasons. It doesn't feel overwhelming and it doesn't look out of place. It's just a small change that makes me smile every time I walk by. With spring just around the corner, less than 30 some days, adding something fresh and hopeful like this helps the whole space feel a little bit brighter. Then to finish up, I'm making a few simple swaps to the cabinet below. Nothing major, just some small changes to keep the styling feeling cozy and intentional. I love how this teeny tiny early spring refresh turned out, and it gets me super excited for the spring decorating to come. But now, as the day winds down, I love easing into a slower pace. Soft lighting, a cozy blanket, and just being present in the moment. I Thank you so much for spending a little part of your day with me. I hope this video gave you a small look into what a simple, productive day at home looks like for me and encouraged you in your own routines. As always, I want to end our time together by going to God's Word and back to the verse I started with this morning. And that comes from Matthew chapter 7, verse 12. So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you. For this sums up the law and prophets. These cozy, quiet evenings with just the two of us, and of course our little fur baby Nyla, are some of my favorite parts of the day. I hope to see you all real soon in my next one, and until then, take care and God bless, friends. Bye.